So Mike and I worked together for quite a number of years, and we joined Lifestyles separately. Didn't even know each other had joined because I'm out here in Southern California and he's in our Austin office. But after I found out that Mike was working on multifamily, he started really pushing me hard. And I was busy at work and really didn't take a lot of action that first year. But in October of 2015, Mike calls me up from our Austin office, and he told me he had completely replaced his income through Dell's roadmap, which just really blew me away. And he started showing me the numbers. Well, the interesting thing is 2 months later, Mike was downsized from our company. So the timing was impeccable in terms of him replacing his income. So this is the interesting thing. In February 2016, I flew out to Texas for my very first Lifestyles Unlimited Expo in Houston, and that happened to be the exact same week we were having the goodbye party for Mike at our Austin office. So we had this really depressing goodbye party for Mike. At a luncheon. Everybody was sad because he was such a great coworker. But later that day, Mike and I drove over for the monthly Lifestyles Investor Dinner that he hosts in Austin. And we had the biggest party. We had a big celebration for Mike's retirement. We had a cake with our company logo on it and the Lifestyles logo on the other side. The difference between those two events, the layoff lunch versus the happy retirement dinner, all in the same day, was hilarious, and it just had the biggest impact on me. So
that's a great story.
And
it
gets even better. So after that, we went to the expo, and that's where I met you, JB, in the Masters Bus Tour, and you were so inspirational that I drove up to the 2-day for one reason only, and that was to sign up for the preferred membership to be a multifamily investor. And so literally 15 minutes after leaving the class, I was on the phone starting a refi out of an existing single-family home that I had. And that refi allowed me to get into my first deals. And the first deal was Mike's first lead deal. So now two years later, I'm getting geared up to get into my 8th deal. And I'm investigating 1031ing out of a single-family home so I can get into my own small multifamily deal. So it's been an incredible journey. And I'm well on my way to reaching retirement in 5 years.